You know, at Chop Cut Rebuild, it's all about making the audience happy, making them feel satisfied, letting them know that we're on their side and we understand the way they like their cars to be built, which is why this 1972 Duster has brand new Camaro wheels on it. A lot of people, you know, think that it's just a trailer that I have. No, I have a personal shaver. Standing by, ready to go.
You'll look like the Tin Man when you're done.
Star ratchet. Our cell phone's off.
Yep, mine is. That's not my ring.
There you go. It's on. Hi, I'm the host of Chop Cut Rebuild. Hello, I'm Dan Woods. Sorry, try it one more time. I know you know who I am. I felt that there was a lot of magically appearing Dan.
Hi, on the next Chop Cut Rebuild, we'll actually meet Dan Woods, and he might put a wire in.
This will take care of it, yeah.
That and more coming up on the next episode of Chop Cut Rebuild, only on Speed.